Okay, and this inner fender removal happens so that there are small these plastic holders like in here, that one, and we have to use now our pliers, and let's go to look closer. There is really about 5 to 6 these holders what we have to remove, and now we need special pliers. Okay, and now we need pliers what looks like that, and there is this sharp head and also this long head pliers what looks like that, and again pliers what are in this way. And using these devices we can take these plastic things away, and let's go to look at how it happens. Okay, there is this plastic bolt, and now I think that if I pull out that in this way, this part opens. Look, this is this idea. When we are lucky, this is so easy, only that I compress that out, and in this way I can remove and reuse these plastic bolts. That how there is this hole, and later I can install this part back. And now I remove all of these holders in here. Plastic bolt is in here. It is like hidden. Let's look at how I can take this away. Now it is not so easy. And that's I can install this my tool in here and bend that a little bit, and these parts normally goes broken like in that one went, and I can purchase new parts from Toyota dealership center. And then in this area in here, that area, there is next one in this position, and now I install my pliers in here, and let's look at, and these are a little bit difficult to remove because they goes broken. And now this holder opens, and now I have to take this area away, and I do same thing in that another side. Okay, and now we think that where are next? There is next screw in that area, and I take this one away. Okay, now it opens. Then when I have take this enough away, I can carefully bend this down this way, and I can keep this in here, and then I can look in this up area, because here is this our connector point, and let's go to look that area. The final part is that I have to install in here these my inner fenders, all these lock these bolts back, and this is quite a big job, because we have to go to look all of these holes, and then when we have these plastic holders, they work so that firstly I open this area in that way, in this position, and then finally I press that in, and then it is like locked. And if these are broken, I have to go to purchase new plastic parts in Toyota dealership center, and these cost about $1 and $1 per piece, and really use these Toyota's originals, because these last and keeps this inner fender 20 years. Okay, and now I install these things back, and let's go to look at when I found first one. Okay, and now we have first one in this area, And firstly we look that there is this inner hole, and then I can install this my first this that way, and then I compress that in. And now this part keeps position, excellent, and then I install all of these another bolts back in here. Okay, and soon we can see this my result, what it looks like. Okay, and now these bolts, they are in position back, and there is also that one, and then in here it is in this one, and in here is that one, and also these screws in here. Okay, and now final part is to test drive this our sensor, and now this job is ready.